Think about how much time and effort you're willing to put into learning how to fly the drone. The premium drones make flying a drone so much easier. Features like obstacle avoidance help prevent you from messing up and losing your drone. Of course, these are usually more expensive. We have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. DJI Mavic Mini 2. Our number 1 choice is, of course, from DJI. We recommend getting the Mini 2. Perfect regardless of your drone experience, and fantastic if you are just starting out and looking for something robust yet extra affordable. Weighing in at only 249 g, this drone doesn't require FAA registration to operate, although you will still need a license for commercial purposes. This is what makes this drone our top pick for travel purposes. In terms of spec, it is not quite as powerful as a couple other drones from DJI, such as the Mavic 3. For general travel purposes it offers more than enough, but is more compact and lightweight, so is overall a better choice. Overall, it is an incredible drone, and a much upgraded replacement to the famous DJI Spark. What we love the most is its ultra portability. Imagine, you can fit the Mini 2 inside your jacket pocket when folded. Don't worry, as the 12MP camera can still give you high-quality photos and 4K videos. It also has a pretty solid battery life of 30 minutes, as well as the essential safety features and access to the DJI Fly app. This includes the FlySafe geofence system to prevent you from flying in restricted areas and avoid legal conflicts. Definitely a plus when you're traveling somewhere new. Of course, being this small means the DJI Mini 2 has to forego some additional features. It has no obstacle avoidance or a hyperlapse mode. Plus, this drone may not be the best one to use in harsh weather conditions, as you may lose it more easily. Number 2. Mini 3 Pro Travel Drone. The DJI Mini 3 Pro is the perfect upgrade to the Mini 2 with some more advanced features, including an impressive larger sensor and a brand new object avoidance system. This is a big upgrade, with sensors on its front, back, sides, and underneath. Considering this is a mini drone, it has excellent battery time of over 30 minutes. Even with all of these new features, the Mini 3 Pro still manages to come in at under 250 g, which is vital if you are planning on flying your drone in places like the UK, which has a weight limit on drones. Personally, we still love our Mini 2, and at roughly half the price of the Mini 3 Pro, does 90% of the same things and is more than any amateur drone user would need when traveling. However, if you want the best of the best and to make professional travel videos, then it's worth spending a few $100s more and getting the 3 Pro. For everyone else, the Mavic 2 will suffice perfectly, though it's unclear how long it will remain in stock in stores and online until phased out. If ever I lose or break our Mini 2, then this is the drone I will be upgrading to. Number 3. Mavic 3 Travel Drone. The DJI Mavic 3 is potentially the best professional-level drone on the market right now for travelers. Despite the size of this drone, it is surprisingly light and folds down into a manageable size. If you are looking for high-quality photos and video footage but don't mind too much about the size of your drone, the Mavic 3 might just be the one for you. While this drone is larger than the drones above, it is not too heavy to travel with. It actually weighs under 900 g. This is not the most user-friendly drone on the market, so you may struggle to operate it as a beginner. Its target market is definitely leaning towards intermediates, with the ability to get more professional through experience using this drone. The Mavic 3's dual camera is the main feature of this drone and is part of what makes it stand out. The first camera is 20MP with a 4/3 sensor, allowing you to take outstandingly high-quality photographs with just this camera alone. While its second camera has what's called a telephoto lens, and while it doesn't have manual control, it has a 28x hybrid zoom capability, making it perfect for getting those close-up photos when you can't get close up. If you are looking to get some really high-quality photos and videos, and if this is not your first ever experience with drones, the DJI Mavic 3 would be a great choice for you. If you want a drone with more advanced features than the Mini series, and can perform far better in windier conditions, this is the go-to drone. Number 4. Parrot ANAFI. Another small folding drone that is perfect for traveling is the Parrot ANAFI. In fact, this drone is one of our top choices for the best DJI alternatives. This portable drone weighs just 320 g and measures just a bit longer than an average phone, making it a brilliant choice for longer travels and backpacking trips. One annoying thing about drones is they can be quite loud, but the Parrot ANAFI is incredibly quiet. It's actually one of the quietest drones out there, thanks to its light and wide propellers. Moreover, this drone offers beautiful 21MP photos and 4K videos, which are complemented with a 3-axis hybrid stabilization and up to 3x digital zoom when recording. However, this drone doesn't have any safety features, which means it is less than ideal for beginners who have never flown a drone before. It's also a shame that you have to make additional purchases to unlock the different intelligent flight modes. Despite that, the Parrot ANAFI is also the only portable drone with a 180-degree camera that can point upwards. This lets you take footage of the drone flying uphill, for instance, and experiment with various creative angles. So, it's perfect if you're looking to take more cinematic shots. Number 5. GoPro Camera Travel Drone. If you document your travels, you're probably familiar with GoPro. But did you know that they make more than just action cameras? The camera drone, for example, is another one of their popular products. It's on the heavy side at 1006 g, which means you do need to register with the FAA before flying. However, it does come with the GoPro Hero 5 4K camera, so you can be sure that you'll get world-class image results. This includes 12-megapixel CMOS 1/2.3-inch sensors and the ability to capture 4K video. Note that you must unscrew the propellers to fit the drone into its case. While it will take only a minute, this can be an inconvenience if you're traveling quickly. It also doesn't come with collision detection or auto-landing features. With that said, the camera drone has tight controls that lets you fly it into small crevices, and even indoors. It also boasts excellent stabilization and a rather silent operation. Unfortunately, GoPro have officially discontinued the camera drone and its accessories. In order for your camera controller to connect to the drone, it will need to have the most recent software update. If you purchase a second-hand camera drone or haven't yet updated yours, you can factory reset your device and it will reset with the new software. While we still recommend camera drone as it is a great option, you may struggle to find the drone and its spare parts online now that it is no longer sold by GoPro. Number 6. Holy Stone HS720 Travel Drone. The Holy Stone HS720 is arguably one of the best travel drones in its class, boasting a 4K camera and intelligent flight feature, as well as an excellent shock absorption. Even better, the camera can turn 90 degrees to give you a variety of angles. It's also one of the most affordable alternatives, making it an ideal choice for beginners. In terms of battery, you can get 26 minutes of flight, which is truly impressive. The Holy Stone HS720 is equipped with a superb 5G internet connection which allows you to explore the landscape in real time. What makes it an even more perfect drone for beginners is the built-in LED display on the transmitter. Not to mention that the integrated app is easy to navigate and use. This drone is also quite lightweight at just 520 g. It does have some drawbacks, including a frustratingly long charge time of 7 hours. The charger that comes with the Holy Stone HS720 is known to be quite unresponsive. This can be a hassle if you are moving a lot when you travel and cannot find enough time to charge the drone. Of course, you can always purchase spare batteries for backup. Or pick up a portable power station so you can charge batteries when on the go. Overall, at a price point of just under $250, you get a lot for your money. And that even makes this an affordable backpacking gift for that traveler in your life.